AMRC is the Advanced Manufacturing Research Centre, part of the University of Sheffield that deal with automation, robotics and digital technology. So there's a significant demand for manufactured aircraft in which the typical ramp rate of around 30 to 40 shipsets per month, we're now being asked of 80 shipsets per month. So with the traditional techniques, that's not economically viable. With regards to this evolving change, we're moving more into digital technology and the handling of data in particular. By having Dassault Systems as an overarching platform, you're actually able to string that data together. You can identify where there's non-conformities, so make changes to the process and see how that influences downstream and upstream processes, and really be able to look at it as a complete digital thread and manage that data as part of the virtual twin. My main takeaway would be the case of being able to have a platform that has individual elements that can all talk that one language. And if there's any changes within an item, you can see the influence it has everywhere else within the sequence of events.